Hey guys, it's Henrietta. So today I'm going to be doing a whole house clean with me. So if you like these kind of videos, cleaning motivation, motherhood, and lifestyle videos, and I upload every single day, so be expecting that. And also doing a remodel in my pantry. I do not have a door on my pantry, but I am excited about the things that I got at Dollar Tree, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So let's get started.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You
containers at Dollar Tree, and I just thought that they would go perfect for my pantry. And so for a long time I've been using Dollar Tree containers, but I was using these and they went through a lot. It's been years I've been having these, but I never did like them because they were never just organized when I put the product in there. It was just me throwing it in, and sometimes the stuff get mixed up. When I labeled, I really didn't label some I did. Some of the markers was coming off, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make this be a lot better. Now, I know that I'm starting off with doing my pantry, so I decided that I just need to go left to right. So the pantry is what I'm gonna start with. The next thing I'm gonna do is the refrigerator. Like, this whole kitchen is a mess. I do hope that I do more stuff, but if not, I'm just happy that I'm getting something done. My kids have to go to school, so I have to do my toddler's hair as well. So I'm gonna get it done. Now, this pantry, I've been wanting to do it for 2 weeks, so I was like, you know what, I don't care what's going on, let me get this done so I can know exactly what's in my house. Okay, let's get started. So I can do that, but the thing is, there's a space right there that's just alone. Or I can leave these two like this and then change this. But then there's gonna, no matter what, it's gonna be a space. So I like this more. I like it this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I don't know what I'm gonna do back at the top because that shelf at the top is a lot smaller. So we'll see. About it, it looks really nice, but now I'm like, how am I gonna like label these? I'll have to do like a little tag, like a hanging tag. I was really trying to go the cheap route and still have like my pantry to look like a storefront, because everything is lined up at the store. You don't see them having those little trays, but we're gonna see how this is gonna work. The top will be the same buckets, so I'm gonna have to put the regular tops. Okay, so now it's time to try to categorize everything, and hopefully this works. excited. Like, I can't wait till your dad see this. Like, I know exactly. We need to put like a list and just write down everything we need to buy.
Yeah. We're
more
stocked
noodles.
on macaroni.
Yo.
We just need noodles. We got enough soup.
Bread.
Bread.
We need more bread. More tea. Look, we still need more water. The water is low, so
That's a lot of water.
but it's good to be stocked. You know, you never know. Oh, I am messy, honey. But just doing this pantry, I am so motivated to make a grocery list. I'm ready. So go ahead and do that. The school. Okay, I'm back. My baby's school call. Okay, so Frosted Flakes. Did you say Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Okay, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm excited. Like, it's so easy to know, like, what I need. Just looking. I just feel so rejuvenated right now. Okay. Pack of noodles. Noodles. Very good. Very good.
Mommy.
Okay, so bread, tea. Tea is fine. Shakes are fine. We need noodles. Prego sauce. I gotta think about what other canned goods we can eat. Rice, we're fine. Mac and cheese, we're fine. This is breakfast. We could try to expand our breakfast. We don't need to, but more box breakfast ideas. As far as popcorn, we can do more popcorn. Popcorn, we don't have to, but we can. We need more cookies, like lots of cookies. Good job. We do need chips. Good. You want popcorn? Here you go. Here you go. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah, go. Alright, and then the first row, I have no idea what to put on the first row. Like all 4 of the row. I don't know what was in there. Like what do you put up there? Like we got so much room. I don't know. What's snacks up there? Like this is snacks. We got popcorn. We got cookies. We could buy more baking stuff. So do you want to buy more baking stuff so you can bake more this month and next month?
Yeah, I like baking. Are we going to put it over side?
Mommy, 2 minutes.
Yeah.
2 minutes. Very good. I forgot. I'm like so happy. Stop it. Luchelle. Stop.
Ooh, you in trouble.
Oh my. Look. Okay. That'll work. Like real life. I'm supposed to be doing more stuff. Like I didn't know this pantry thing is gonna take longer than what it needs to. I do need to clean up this kitchen, but I'm gonna take a break. I believe in breaks, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Breaks are important, but this pantry's still not done. I need to go grocery shopping. I need to add some name tags on here. One step at a time. Like once you get in motion, then the ideas really come. I didn't really just like sit down and say, what all do I need to do to get this pantry together? Because it's a lot more work that needs to be done as far as like the remodeling, like the painting and stuff. But I came across these at Dollar Tree and I was like, oh, I gotta get it. You know? And I have like a whole row of things that I can buy, and I need to like really think about what kind of emergency stuff that we need to get. I'm excited.